Bitcoin is back around the $80,000 level, but the real question is, what happens next? The crypto market is showing strong momentum. Bitcoin recently pushed above $80,000 and tested the $81,300 area before facing some profit taking. What makes this move interesting is that it isn't happening in isolation. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have recorded strong inflows recently, with roughly $2.5 billion entering over the last 7 trading days. This suggests that institutional demand is still supporting the market. From a technical perspective, $80,000 is now the key psychological level. If Bitcoin can reclaim $81,300, $82,000 with strong volume and hold above it, the next major target could be around $83,000 and potentially higher. But there is also a risk. If Bitcoin loses the $78,000, $79,000 zone, the current breakout could turn into a deeper correction. Now let's look at Wall Street. The US stock market remains strong. The Nasdaq jumped around 1.57%, while the S&P 500 gained roughly 0.72%. Nvidia was one of the biggest drivers, surging nearly 9% after strong earnings and guidance boosted confidence in the AI sector. But today, investors are watching the Federal Reserve closely. Fed Chair Kevin Warsh's comments could have a major impact on both stocks and crypto. At the same time, the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield remains elevated near 4.7%, which could create pressure on risk assets. So, what is the big picture? Crypto is bullish, U.S. stocks are bullish, and institutional money is still supporting Bitcoin. But we are approaching a critical resistance zone. Above $82,000, momentum could accelerate. Below $78,000, the bullish structure becomes much weaker. For now, the market is bullish, but Bitcoin's next move above or below this range could determine the direction of the next major move.